The main function of this application is the planning board. As you can see, the planning board is used on the team level. So this team, it's called line A. We have Doris, Eric, Frida, and me, Oskar, that's me. Our team, we are responsible for some tasks that need to be done this week. So right now we have done 18% of this. So the purpose is to make it very easy to see what we are supposed to do and if we have done it or not. So let's take this one, oil gear BC. When we are done, we just mark it completed and save it. So this card representing this work duty will turn green. You will see here on the latest activity record that this task is done and you may comment on it. So maybe you want to thank me for it, then you just put thanks. So Bea just thanked me for doing this oil gear. So this is actually a way to have a social component, and that can be an important motivational factor. This lubrication machine, for this task we have chosen to add a checklist, and that is to ensure that we actually do all the important steps that are a part of this duty. So we reduce tension, then we lubricate position 2 and 4, we lubricate position 5 and 8, and we read oil level 55. And we save it. So we have done all the 4 out of 4 steps of this duty. So right now we are up to 36% of our weekly activities. I will just move myself a little bit. Say that we did one of these tasks, maybe the swipe floor task. Move myself again. We mark it complete, but we may have found something that was broken. Just click this slider. We can describe what we have found. One electric cable is loose. We just press save. What happened is that a work request is created for us. So we just specify the location. Machine A. If we are on a mobile or a cell phone, we may upload an image or just take a photo and upload the image. And if you say this is something for the lean team to take care of, then we just choose them and email will be sent to the responsible team. So email is sent to me actually because I'm head of that team in this demo. Let's take another example. We do this lubrication. When we do this step, lubricate position 2 and 4, we have an idea. Something could be better. So could anything be improved? Yes. Color mark the locations. For instance, and we press save when we are done. We will have a new improvement. Today we have a new idea. We could color mark the locations for the lubrication. See if I click this one, we can see this have a status. This is a new idea. And then we could set it in different statuses. So the team manager here could approve this idea or reject it. We can plan it, can test it, check the result, standardize and follow up, and then we can mark it completed. So this actually follows the PDCA circle, famous from Kaizen and continuous improvement. So we may put it in approved, specify the benefits. So this is a high payoff and it is easy. We just save it. And what will happen is if we go to the improvements tab down here, we will find it here in a priority matrix. So all suggestions that are easy and have a high payoff, they are green. They're up in the right hand corner. Something is easy but has a low payoff, those are possible. Others are high payoff but hard to implement, and those are blue and are labeled a challenge. So we have an improvement system following the PDCA circle, and we have a good visualization on all our improvements and why we are doing something and why we have chosen to reject some of them. So I will show you one last thing, and that is the green cross, and this is a safety record. Yesterday we had an incident, it was yellow. What happened? Someone almost fell. What was the root cause? It was some spillage from machine A. And what was the countermeasures that was proposed? Well, it was to check the machine A daily. So these countermeasures, they will end up as a suggestion for improvement here in the inbox. So in this way you will never forget about them.